How to fix repost option not showing in TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to fix repost option not showing in TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what you need to do first is to go into your TikTok app. And now when you're on your TikTok app, then you need to come to your profile, and then we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So I'm going to click there right now. Perfectly, in here we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Perfect, now you will be taken to this page. As you can see, we need to scroll down, and now we need to click where it says report a problem, because it is a problem that we don't have like the repost button basically, so we need to report this to TikTok so they can fix this for us. But keep watching because I will show you exactly how to do so. So when you're in here, then what you need to do is to scroll down and click on feeds, search and share. So click there. It's just going to load here perfectly. Now in here we can click where it says other, so click on other. Great, it's just going to load here. Perfect. Now we need to click where it says no, and then we need to click where it says need more help. It's just going to load. Perfect. In here now we need to basically write like this to TikTok. So write like this: I am missing the repost button on TikTok. Please fix this issue for me. So something like this basically. I'm missing the repost on the repost option on TikTok. You can add option, and please fix this issue for me basically. So this is exactly how you can write. You don't have to write exactly like this, but something like basically just explain to TikTok that you don't have the repost button and you want to get it back. So just explain that to them, and when you're done, then you can click where it says report. Perfect, it's just going to load here. Great, as you can see, the feedback is now submitted. What will happen now is that it will actually go straight to the TikTok, like to the TikTok office. So somebody that works in the customer service department, they will be able to see your message in here. And it often takes about 1 to 3 business days to get a reply back, so you know. So after those 1 to 3 business days, then hopefully, then you will be able to get your repost button back on TikTok. So this is basically exactly how to do so. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.